Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, constantly stressing about bills and never feeling like you're getting ahead? You're not alone. Many struggle with personal finances. But the good news? You can take control today. In this video, we're going to talk about personal finance and how you can take control of your money starting today. If it's your first time on our channel, welcome. On The Money Mindset, we talk about everything related to money, from saving and investing to side hustles, budgeting tips, and building wealth step by step. So if you're ready to take charge of your financial future, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Personal finance is managing your money effectively. It includes budgeting, saving, investing, and planning for the future. Becoming financially savvy is empowering. Let's break it down into manageable steps. First, start with budgeting. Track your income and expenses monthly. Write down every dollar you earn and spend. This helps identify where your money goes. Next, prioritize your expenses. Separate needs from wants. Pay for essential items like rent and groceries first. Then allocate funds for discretionary spending. Once you've established a budget, focus on saving. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. Create an emergency fund for unexpected expenses. This provides peace of mind. Investing comes next. Consider your long-term goals. Research options like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Start small and gradually increase your investments. Remember, time in the market beats timing the market. Now, let's discuss debt. High-interest debt can be a burden. Pay off debts aggressively, starting with the highest interest first. This will save you money in the long run. Examples can help illustrate these concepts. Consider Lisa, who budgets her income. She saves 20% and invests wisely. Over time, her savings grow. Meanwhile, John ignores budgeting. He accumulates debt and struggles financially. Lisa thrives, while John faces uncertainty. In summary, mastering personal finance is vital. Budget wisely, save diligently, and invest strategically. Pay off debt quickly. Ready to take control of your financial future? Start today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more personal finance tips.